2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross. You're going to cross. 1, 15, 2, 3. Give me 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's relax. Good set. Good job. All right, ready, set, pop. Good job. Okay, walk it back. Walk it back. Walk it back. Walk it back. Don't run it back. Walk it back. Gotta get another one of those. Then we go down to the 20. Take your time. Walk it back. Might want to get you a couple of jumps in. Might want to stretch your body out again before you do this one. But do what you got to do. Yeah. Ready, set, pop. Good job. A little wider, Don. Go. 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 Relax. Take a breathe. You're going to get another set.